so my shots don't count, melees don't do anything. Shoot, like, there's nothing I can do! It's like, there's nothing! There's nothing I can do! There's literally
To be fair, you have to have a very high IQ to understand Twitch chat. The humor is extremely subtle, and without a solid grasp of quantum physics the jokes will go over your forehead. The